Me hope you subscribe and have a great summer.
That sounds good. You sound like a Rasta man. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So remember to subscribe,
Put a thumbs up
and leave a comment saying hi Kizzy, hi Zara. Alright, so we just finished filming. I can never say that word. You say that word.
filming
A video. So we just decided to do another one.
Yeah.
So we're in the same spot. You're probably gonna see us in the same outfit twice, but we just decided, you know what? We're out here. Let's just do something. We're bored. So we're going to be doing a translation video today. So I have some Jamaican words.
Phrases.
Well, yeah, phrases.
Whatever.
We have some Jamaican. I have some Jamaican phrases to give Zara. She has to translate the phrases and she also has to say them. So let's see how she do at this Jamaican thingy. All right, so we're gonna begin now. The first word that I'm gonna give her to say is what? Me soon come. Say me soon come.
Me soon come.
Say it to them. You should look at them.
Me soon come.
Come over, girl. She's never in the camera,
Me
Fred.
soon come.
Yeah. Say it again.
Me soon come.
What does that mean?
I am coming soon.
God, let them hear you.
I am coming soon.
I mean, it kinda is that. Misuka. When we say Misuka, meaning Misuka, meaning I'll be there soon.
Oh,
so it's the same thing basically.
Okay.
I'm coming soon. Misuka. Alright, so the next one is what was the one that I was saying this morning? Oh, your bad mind.
Your bad mind.
Your bad mind. You little girl, you bad mind.
You have a bad mind.
I was telling her this morning she bad mind. I was using something and she come and she took
No,
it.
because it
So
was
I
my,
said,
because it was my lipstick. It was my lipstick and she just came and stole it.
No. It doesn't matter if it's her lipstick. It was there. I may have used it. She just came in. This is mine and walked away. I'm like, you're bad mind.
What does that mean?
Meaning yours. I don't even know what that means. Meaning you're bad mind. Why is the English translation for bad mind? I don't even know. But it means it's not a good word though. It means you're
greedy.
You're selfish, or you're all for yourself, or you don't want to see me strive. You don't want to see me do good. You only want to see you do good. That's what it means. You're bad mind. You don't want me to look good. You don't want me to, you know, you're selfish basically.
Hey.
You're selfish. She's selfish. She's all about me.
She's all about me.
Everything is about she.
Everything's about she.
Like no joke. I'm not joking.
No joke. So, like I'm not.
Anyway,
shut up.
What's the next word? I go cuss you out.
Yeah, cuss you out.
I go cuss you out.
Yeah, I gotta cuss you out.
Say it loud, man. With
Yeah, I gotta cuss you out.
What does that mean?
I'm gonna kill you out.
That doesn't mean that.
They're gonna lick you out of this house.
Yeah, it means I'm gonna trace you. I'm gonna curse. Meaning I'm gonna, hey, why are you dropping my things? Your name is dropping my things. That's what it means. Don't show me something again. Me and a friend. Don't chat to me. That's what it means. Yeah, they're gonna cuss you. Yeah. I actually got into character for that one. Let's see why else. Stop doing that. I'm not playing with you, you know.
You know, playing with you.
Okay. What y'all say? What y'all say?
What y'all say?
Say it to them.
What y'all say?
What y'all say? Say it again.
What y'all say?
What y'all say?
Y'all say.
What do you think that means?
What are you saying?
Yeah, you know that one. She knows that one. That's what exactly what I'm saying. What are you saying? No, what y'all say? What are you saying? Yeah. All right. So the next one is Inna the Marrows. Inna the Marrows.
Inna the Marrows.
Inna the Marrows.
Inna the Marrows.
Say it loud.
Inna the Marrows.
Inna the Marrows. What do you think that means?
I will plant some plants tomorrow.
Inna the marrows.
And in the bushes.
Inna the marrows.
I don't know what that is.
Inna the marrows. Me say, yo Zara, inna the marrows.
Yo, Zara, you like my plants? Oh, yo, Zara, you like my marigolds. I said my yard or whatever.
Marrows. It means see you tomorrow. It means see you tomorrow. Inna the marrows. See you later.
You should have said that. See you later.
No, inna the marrows. When I say, yo Zara, inna the marrows. That's what it means.
That is like Spanish. In the
Now,
marrows.
inna the marrows. See you soon. Smile up. Smile up yourself.
Smile up yourself.
Smile up yourself.
Smile up yourself.
What does that mean?
Act better.
Say it again. Smile up yourself.
Smile up yourself.
Yeah. Smile up yourself, Zara. Smile up yourself.
What? Go in the frame.
Smile up yourself. So, no, I'm just saying that this is how we would do the expression. Like you smile up yourself. Say it again.
Act yourself up.
Say smile up yourself.
Smile up yourself.
What does that mean?
Act better.
Talk to them.
Act better.
Smile up yourself means scoot over. Come on, more people needs to fit in the car.
Oh.
This is what we say in Jamaica, especially the taxi driver. They like this, or the bus driver.
Smile
Smile
up
up yourself, lady. Go over into the seat. Go over. More people need to sit beside you. You need to smile up yourself. That's what it means.
Smile.
Because when we're in the car, when you're in the bus, you have 5 people in a row. And you have to squeeze over like this and go like this. So someone can come beside you. So this is smile up yourself. So that's what that means. Let's see what else I should give her. I'm going to give you 15 translation.
How much did you do?
I don't know.
We did the marigold thing.
I think we did about 5 already. Alright, mash up. We are mash up the something. Mash up yourself.
Mash up yourself.
Mash up. Mash up. No, not mash up.
Get your act together.
No, not mash up yourself. Mash up.
Mash up.
You mash up the thing.
Like you're gonna break your phone. Something.
Yeah. She basically got it. Mash up means you what do you say in America? Destroy. You destroy something. So we say, why you mash up the something? Why you do that? Why you mash it up? Meaning why you destroy it? That's what it means. So yeah, you got that one. Let's see. Bless up. Bless up. Bless up.
Heaven.
So bless up.
Bless up.
Bless up.
It's heaven.
Blessings. Bless up.
It's heaven.
What does it mean?
It's heaven.
No, it's not. It means, alright, what should I say it means? Bless up means, it's just a hailing. It's just so you say hi. Like, bless up.
Bless up.
Bless up.
Bless
Wagwan. Bless up. It's just like saying hi. You're passing somebody the road, they say bless up. Instead of saying hi, you just say bless up. That's what that means. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Like the Obama came to Jamaica and he said, Wagwan Jamaica.
What's happening, Jamaica?
Yeah, she knows that one. I guess I must have
You said it
before.
alone.
Yeah, I do. Medea, you know. Medea, you know.
Where? Me there.
Medea, you know.
Me there, you know. I can't say that.
Say
Me
it.
there, you know.
Medea, you know. What does that mean?
I'm here, you know.
How do you know that?
This is hard.
Alright. Me not play with you. Me not play with you.
Me not play with you. I'm not playing with you.
Oh my gosh, she knows that one. Little more.
Little more. See you later.
How do you know this?
I don't know. I'm good.
She know this. You chat too much.
You chat too much. You're chatting so much.
You chat too much.
You chat too much. You chat too much.
Little pitney.
Little pitney.
Why you said you chat too much? What is you chat too much?
You chat too much.
You chat too much.
You chat too much.
You talk a lot. It's the same thing, but you should tell me the English translation. So, what was the next one? Little pitney.
Little child. Little child.
She actually knows this stuff. I'm surprised. Give me the pen. What else? Let's see that. Well, I'm not even counting. Let's just do it until I get bored. Until I can't figure out no more. Alright, the next one is Go sit down over there, so.
Go sit down over there, so.
What does that mean?
Go sit down over there.
Oh my god, how do you know these stuff? I don't get it. Alright, let me see what other one. This one now. Come me catch up your ear. Say it.
Come me catch up your hair.
Say it again.
Come me catch up your hair.
What does that mean?
You're gonna put ketchup in my hair.
You need to talk loud for them to hear.
You're gonna put ketchup in my hair.
Here she said, guys, I'm gonna put ketchup in her hair. In Jamaica, we say, come and catch up your ear, but it doesn't really mean put ketchup in your hair. It means, come let me catch your hair up.
Oh.
But we don't say, come let me catch your hair up, or come let me put your hair in a ponytail. We say, come let me catch up your hair. Come let me catch up your hair. That's what it means. Get your hair in a ponytail or something. So that's what that means. And that was funny though, ketchup. It actually really, you would really think that for true if you don't know. Because you say, come and catch up your hair. That's funny. Alright, this one. What's it? Let me look, because I can't think of this stuff in my head. And the funniest thing is when I'm talking to Zara sometimes, she's like, what does that mean? Why is that? What? I know I can't think of anything. That's crazy. Let me see. Don't ramp with me.
Don't romp with me.
Don't ramp with me.
Don't fight with me.
Don't ramp with me.
Don't fight with me.
It means don't play with me. Don't play with me. I'm not playing with you. Don't ramp with me. That's what it means. Alright, the next one is Zine. Zine.
Zine.
Zine.
Look at her.
Zine. Zine. Yeah, man.
Fling
Zine.
your shoulder.
Why are you saying Zine? Yeah, man. Yeah, Zine.
I understand.
You look at the book thing.
No, I didn't.
You look.
Nope.
She looked.
No, I
She
didn't.
didn't get that one.
Do you see? Look.
I had
Tell me in the
I
comments
had it
below.
on my phone, and it was done like this, and she looked. She looked. She looked.
Tell me in the comments below.
Yes, she did look. Kongaya yard man.
Kongaya yard man.
Kongaya yard man.
Kongaya yard man.
What does that mean?
Come fix your yard, man.
What does it mean?
Come fix your yard now.
It means go home. Go home. Go to your yard. Go home, man. You're so annoying. That's what it means. Kongaya yard, man. Go home, man.
Okay.
Sit. Alright, that's the next one. I'll be okay. Stop looking. G's and P's.
G's and P's.
Let me turn the camera, because you just always out of frame. G's and P's.
Go get some peas.
G's and P's. G's and P's.
Please, Jesus.
What does it mean?
Please, Jesus.
It means,
Jesus.
oh my God. It's like,
Please,
oh
jeez.
my God. G's and P's.
G's and P's.
G's and P's. Oh my God. That's what it means. What? Pasa, pasa.
Pasa,
What
pasa.
does that mean?
See you tomorrow.
Pasa, pasa.
See you tomorrow.
Nope. It means mix up. Mix up.
I'm gonna put that.
Mix up meaning, what would be the English? Mix up meaning like, ooh, I have something to tell you about, like, you have a friend at school and you're like, and you have another friend and you want to talk to the friend with the next friend and you be like, oh my God, come here, I have some mix up to give to you about Janelle. Did you know that Janelle did this? Or did you know that Janelle, that's mix up.
What would she be?
Okay, say like Janelle stole something and you, Janelle, and Samantha are friends, and Janelle stole something. So you told Samantha, Samantha, come here. Let me tell you something. You know that Janelle steal the pencil? That's mixed
I
up.
do that too.
You steal pencils?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're a thief?
No.
She's a thief, guys. She steals pencils.
That
But I'm
doesn't-
just giving you an example.
That does not make me a thief.
What does it make you? You're stealing. That's thieving.
No, it's my pencils.
That is not stealing.
No, like sometimes I steal my teacher's pencils.
You're a thief.
No,
Yes, you are.
no.
We're gonna have to pray on this one.
I'm not a thief. Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah. So mix up meaning you sus with your friend like. You mix up pasa. All right. The next one is move over.
Move over. Move over.
Yeah.
That's an easy one.
Yeah, it is. Nyam. Listen. Nyam. Say it.
Nyam.
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 What does that mean?
You nyam it. You eat it.
You know that one.
Yes, I do.
All right, that's it basically. So you didn't do that bad still. Say something Jamaican. I want you to talk Jamaican for the rest of the video. No American talking right here. Jamaican. Everything
You
you're
talk
gonna
American.
say. Everything you're gonna say, you should say it in Jamaican language. So
I don't know
start.
everything in Jamaican.
I said talk to me Jamaican. Don't talk to me if you're not talking to me in Jamaican. So talk. I'm gonna talk American then, and then you talk Jamaican, okay? All right. So that's basically it. I have nothing more to say.
Me neither.
Me neither. Remember anything you say, you have to say in Jamaican. I don't care what you're saying. It has to be Jamaican. Because you hear me? Oh my God. You hear that accent? Oh my God. I'm talking American right here. Yeah. So what? Talk. You dumb now? Cat got your tongue? Oh my God. I'm doing so well. What? Speak, child. Talk. You gotta talk. Talk.
Me not know.
Talk. It's gonna
Me not know.
Me. That's funny. We're ending the video now. So tell them what to do in Jamaican. Talk. We need to end the video.
Me thinking.
That was funny. Don't say it. Talk. Okay.
So,
Jamaican, please and thank you.
so
Yeah.
when you nyam,
We're ending the video. The people are waiting for you to
me
end the
not
video.
know what.
We're ending the video, Zara. What do we normally do when we're ending the video? So talk to them and let them know what to do and stuff like that.
Me not know what to say.
We're ending the video. What do we do when we end the video? What stuff we say?
Subscribe.
Yeah, do stuff like that. Talk.
Me not know how you've say
Oh my God, that's so funny.
how to subscribe in Jamaican.
Oh my God. You don't know how to say subscribe and comment and leave likes and stuff like that.
Me not know.
That's all you know? Me not know.
Mhm.
Anyways, okay, talk your normal language. I'll give her a pass, guys. Talk.
Okay, that was hard.
Okay, so end the video. I'm tired of talking.
Me, you better subscribe.
There you go. That was a bit. All right, you can talk American now. I'll give you a pass. Okay, guys, so we're gonna end the video here because my jaw is hurting me from laughing at Zara. So I hope you finish the video, please. I'm giving you a pass. Talk
Me
normal.
hope you subscribe and have a great summer.
That sounds good. You sound like a Rasta man. Alright guys, so please subscribe to our channel and leave a like and a comment down below and tell us if you liked how Zara translated those Jamaican slangs and stuff. And we'll see you in our next video, maybe Sunday.
Practice Jamaican.
She's going to Jamaica on Tuesday.
So I will be talking.
She's going to try to do a little
Jamaican.
vlogging. I hope you're going to be doing a little vlogging.
I hope so.
That sounds good. You're getting good. So I hope she's gonna be. I told her to vlog in Jamaica, but we don't know. I don't know if she's gonna be vlogging. So we'll see.
Me not know.
Hopefully. So guys, until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye.
Rock this Jamaican. Bye.